everyone, this is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I'm going to tell you the 5 reasons why you should use a foam roller. Okay, you ready? Number 1, it increases your circulation, gets everything moving in your body. Definitely, it feels good. Number 2, it increases your flexibility and your range of motion. You always feel a little bit longer or taller after using it. Number 3, it improves muscle recovery after an exercise or an activity. So you probably think of runners, the first group of people who tend to use a foam roller. But guess what? You can use it for any sport or activity, even after doing yard work. It's great for that muscle recovery. All right, number 4, foam rolling is a quick fix to reduce tension in your body, either from stress or injury. Number 5, foam rolling helps to reestablish the muscle balance or posture within our body, okay? And when you're in alignment, you feel so much better, okay? If you really like this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.